So hi, this is the home automation using Amazon Alexa. So by controlling Alexa to control the home applications like loads,
I'm not sure.
fans and bulbs and whatever loads. So here we are using Node MCU. So this is the advanced Arduino controller, and it have low cost when compared to others. And next here we are connecting two channel relay, so load 1 and load 2, and another load is LED. And so here we are connecting a DHT sensor. So the pin numbers is A0 is connected to DHT sensor, and D6 and D7 it is connected to load 1, it is the light, and load 2 it is a fan, and D8 pin is connected to LED. So now, so this is the node MCU, and this is the LCD, and this is the load 3, it is LED, and this is the 2 channel relay, and it is a fan, and it is a bulb, and this is the Google Alexa. So this is the Google Alexa. So now the input power is, I just connected to my laptop. So this is power input, and this is the node MCU power, and this is the node MCU power, and this is the Google Alexa input power. So now this is the overall setup for project. So now I just operated the all loads by using Google Alexa. So now, so this is my Google Alexa. Alexa, switch on bulb.
Did you mean light?
Yes.
Okay.
So now my load is on. Alexa, turn off light.
Okay.
So now my load 1 is off condition. So the next load is, I just operated fan. Alexa, turn on fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on LED.
Okay.
So now my LED is on condition. Alexa, turn off LED. Alexa, turn off LED.
Okay.
So now more LED is off condition. Now I just control the all loads at a time. Alexa, turn on fan.
Okay.
So now my fan is on condition. And Alexa, turn on LED.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off all loads.
Did you mean light?
Yes.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off fan. Alexa, turn off fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off LED.
Okay.
So this is the working principle. So to operate the Google Alexa and to control minimum 8 to 10 loads, this is the operating principle of Node MCU by using to control the home automation Google Alexa, like it is a Amazon Alexa. So if you have any doubts regarding this project, so you have to visit www.virtualance.com. So our contact numbers 8886877797. Another number is 888-576-4676. So this is the block diagram for entire project, and these are the components, and this is the Amazon Alexa, this is the load 1, and fan is the load 2, this is the LED, this is the load 3, and this is the LCD. So depending upon DH data, it will be showing the whatever humidity in our environment. So this is the total overall home automation. It will be constructed one home, like it is a real-time home automation. Thank you.